Hello viewers, Flipkart's Republic Day sale is going on, and if you have a tight budget of 23,000 rupees, in that case you can definitely buy Motorola Moto Pad 60 Pro. Using HDFC credit card, you can buy this tablet as low as 22,487 rupees for the 128GB variant, and I think this is a very good buy because you are getting everything in this tablet. If you are a multimedia consumer, in that case, you can definitely enjoy JBL quad speakers on this tablet. Moreover, the display resolution is 3K, so you will definitely have a good time using multimedia contents. Also, using the pen, you can do a lot of creativity tasks on this tablet. Though the display panel is IPS, but I think this is one of the best displays that you can get at this price point. Also, you will get MediaTek Dimensity 8300 processor. I think at 22,487 rupees, this is one of the best tablets that you can grab. You can edit videos, you can consume multimedia contents, and the display quality is top notch. So this is a very good chance for you if you buy this tablet right now from flipkart.com with HDFC credit card. Many people were eagerly waiting for this tablet to be on sale, and this is the right time for you to grab this deal. But the only problem with this tablet will be about the software updates. We all know that Lenovo and Motorola are not great in terms of software updates. So if you don't bother about software updates, in that case you can definitely buy this tablet. This is one of the all-round tablets right now in this price bracket. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this tablet or not. In the coming videos, I will talk more about other deals. So stay subscribed with the notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much.